Welcome to RiserSafe. Once you've loaded the RiserSafe Revit family into your project, you can quickly and easily switch between the different interface details using the Properties palette. Simply select the family, then use the drop-down menu in the palette to choose from the various RiserSafe options. So what you are seeing here is a demonstration of the different type details you can use. For more guidance on the available connection types, refer to the RiserSafe Typical Details PDF, available on the Ambar Kelly website or via the NBS platform. If your design requires different edge conditions on each side, select Custom from the drop-down menu, then click Edit Type in the Properties palette. This will allow you to individually modify the left, back, front, and right faces. From here, you can also specify the type of floor plate, whether it's durbar or mesh. To adjust the width, length, and depth constraints so the unit spans the void exactly, return to the Properties palette where you'll find these dimensions. Please note, minor clashes may occur. You can either ignore these or subtract the clash size from your setting out dimensions. Here are some examples of how the different configurations appear within the model. A smokeshaft unit with mesh, a standard cast-in unit with steel frame, a unit with shear wall plates against the sea walls, a post-fix design with angle brackets and drop plate, a retrofit RSA unit, RC upstand, often used at roof level. This final example shows a fully configured unit incorporating all required interfacing components, along with a firewall beam designed to support fire-rated partition walls. To explore further, check out our supporting videos on how to include firewall beams and cover plates